Hey everybody, Kyle, not your average finance guy. I want to talk to you today about what's your home equity doing for you? What is home equity? Do you own your house? Is your house worth more than you owe on it? Whatever that difference is, whatever it's worth to what you owe on it, that's your equity. So that equity in the middle, you may have access to it. Okay. A lot of banks will give you up to 90% of a home equity line of credit. Say your house is worth 400,000 and you owe 200,000. You've got the middle, you've got $200,000 worth of equity available to you. Now, if you've got credit cards at 20 to 30% and you're making minimum payments on those while you've got equity sitting in the bank doing nothing for you, first you need to change your behavior so you no longer put the money back on the credit cards. But if you can stop spending the money on the credit cards, you can wipe all that credit card debt out using your line of credit at, maybe it's 8-9% right now, and you can wipe all those payments out. You can take that money and then you build back and you pay back your line of credit. This is a tool like anything else in the toolbox. It's a shovel can be used to cultivate a beautiful garden, or it can also be used to kill somebody. So if you don't have the behavior to be able to do this, don't follow me. Okay. If you do, check out the rest of my videos. It's called Velocity Banking. I go into the infinite banking concept a little bit too. There's a bunch of videos on that. It can show you how to access the equity of your house and get you out of debt or explode your growth. Show you how to be a millionaire, guaranteed being a millionaire. If you got $2,000 of cash flow, I can show you how to guarantee be a millionaire. Okay. Stop being a slave to those credit cards. Stop paying those high interest rates. 20 to 30% is a third of every dollar goes to interest. Okay. So take your life back. Stop being a slave to these big banks. Let's get rid of that debt. Let's get our behaviors under control. Let's get our spending under control. Let's keep going. Let's know our numbers. Let's get our spending under control. Let's not spend more than we make. We're not the government, right? Whatever comes in, that's all that goes out. Nothing more. Okay. Know your numbers, know where you're at. I get it when things come up from time to time. We're going to build a little reserve fund and we'll take care of all that. Okay. Let's tap into some of these tools that we've got and show you how to get out of debt, stop being a slave to these banks, and live a great life.